Hey, fine shiners. I've had some questions about what best to use on convertible tops. We actually have two products here that are excellent for maintaining soft tops on your convertible here at Fine Shine. So my favorite is the all-purpose cleaner. This is great for spot treatments, whether you get bird poo on there. Sometimes you'll park under a tree and might get a little bit of tree sap. That is pretty stubborn stuff to get off, and you have to be very careful with soft tops, whether they're vinyl or canvas like we have here. They can very easily discolor if the product you're using is too harsh. Normally, just a standard wash soap is just fine, but when you do have to spot treat it, our all-purpose cleaner is excellent for that. Keeping it maintained going forward, though, believe it or not, you can put our graphene coating on there. This is great not just for paint, but you can put it on plastic trim. You can even use it on the interior, and I'll do some videos on that a little later. But for convertible tops, I put this on mine because, again, it helps with UV. Graphene is great for that. Ours is a ceramic hybrid as well, so you get that little bit of extra protection. But it's great for the plastic windows. So a lot of convertibles nowadays are glass, but some of these older ones, like we have here on our Boxster, is a plastic window. If you have had any experience with those, you look at them wrong and they scratch. So you want to try and protect those as best you can. The graphene coating is excellent for it. We actually just put this top on here. This is one of my winter projects. The top before was pretty baked, so we do need to get a graphene coating on there to keep it protected. I'll give you a little quick tutorial on that. So the best way to protect your top is to put a coating on it. So we have the graphene ceramic hybrid coating here at Fine Shine. This is excellent for soft tops. You can put it on vinyl or canvas. The car we have here today is our Fine Shine Boxster. It's got a canvas top, and this is new, so we do need to get it coated. It's great for these plastic windows. So a lot of the older convertibles have plastic windows. Most modern ones are glass, but with these plastic windows, you've probably seen them where they have a tendency to yellow, get old, and crack over time. Products like this are fantastic. You want that UV resistance, which you'll get through the graphene ceramic coating, as well as the water resistance. So this will help the water kind of shear away and beat up on the top real nice instead of penetrating and soaking in. Makes it last a lot longer. It keeps dirt from catching into the fibers. So super easy to apply. Just give it a good spray. Put it right there on that plastic window. It's okay if it gets on the paint. You should put it on the paint too. It's good stuff. Spray it around. Take a nice clean microfiber. Just simply wipe it on. Super easy. And then for the window, go ahead and wipe it. And you'll see the product begin to flash off on the window. So what you'll do, you'll either want to turn to a dry side of the towel or get a second towel if it's too saturated. You'll go ahead and you'll wipe it down. And that little bit of haze that's there, that's okay. That will flash off. Just kind of buff it in. That is that protective coating. So that's going to leave that UV protection there as well as water resistance. So that will continue to flash off. We'll come back with a second towel and buff that away. Excellent stuff.